Hey, this is just a super quick video that's going to talk to you about the difference between p and p hat. Let's say that I have a collection of coins and I have a bunch of dimes and then I have a bunch of other coins. I'm interested, I don't know why, but let's say I'm interested in the percentage of dimes. So I'm going to say p is equal to the percentage of dimes that are in my whole collection. So somewhere there's a perfect percentage of dimes in my whole collection, but I don't have a way to figure that out. It's too big of a collection to count. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a random sample. So I'll stir them up, and I'll grab a small handful of coins and throw them down here. A pretty big handful of coins. All right, looks like I got a lot of dimes here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 dimes. I got 13 dimes, so x was equal to 13, but altogether I had a handful of 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 coins. So I had 28 coins. So altogether from my sample, at least from this sample, I had 13 out of 28 coins. If I put that into my calculator, I get approximately 46%. So about 46% of my sample is dimes. But that doesn't mean that 46% of my whole collection is dimes. In fact, if I stirred it up again and picked another sample of exactly 28 coins, the n would have to be exactly the same. But if I picked another sample of exactly 28 coins, I might get a different p hat. I might get a p hat of 42%. Another time I might get a p hat of 51%. I'd get different p hats all the time. Each of these would be a different sample proportion, but this population proportion would never change as long as I threw each p hat back in before I took another sample. So that's the relationship between p and p hat. P hat is this proportion from the sample, and p hat is an estimate that tells me an idea of what p is. P is the proportion of the whole population. We almost never really know what that number is. We use this number to try to target what that number is. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make a confidence interval using this proportion.